Alright, let's talk about B2B marketing. In this video, we talk about how do you use digital marketing to attract B2B clients. So step number one, go to LinkedIn, use all the filters and the results that you see. You want to start connecting with your potential customers on LinkedIn. Right? So send them a connection request and make sure to add a note. Right? In the note, don't make it very salesy or blatantly salesy. Just connect, genuinely try and connect without being salesy. Drop a hi, saying that hey, we are in the same industry and I thought we should connect. Something on those lines. Very, very non-salesy, non-threatening. So let's assume that you've connected with your target audience. Now, through LinkedIn, you can download their email ID. Right? So before you make your sales move, before you start pitching to them, you want to use the email ID, and let's say that you connect and collect about 200 email IDs from LinkedIn, and these are your potential customers from around the world. So next thing you want to do is step number 2. You want to upload the data on Facebook. Right now you must be wondering, hey, Facebook is not a B2B platform. My customers don't hang out on Facebook, and I completely understand that. But you may not be able to target them on Facebook through Facebook ads targeting, but I'm sure most of them may probably have a Facebook profile. If not most, let's assume that 50% have a Facebook profile that you may not be aware of. So let's say 50%. So that's about 100 people who are probably on Facebook, but they don't want to do any kind of a professional talk on Facebook, right? That's only for the family and friends. So we upload these 200 email IDs on Facebook custom audience list. Sorry, my handwriting sucks, I know that. So once we upload the data on the Facebook custom audience list and create a custom audience of these 200 people, and let's say that Facebook only manages to find 100 because there are only 100 on Facebook. Now we have a custom audience list of your potential customers on Facebook. Step number 3. Retarget them. Now you retarget these 100 people with your ads, with your banners, because no B2B sale is ever going to end or have an online transaction, right? It needs a meeting or at least a phone call. So before you pitch for a meeting or a phone call, you want them to be nurtured, right? So while you retarget, you want to think of what potential objections they may have with you before they give you the contract, right? Is your fee too high, or is it too low, or are you not in the city or the state that they prefer, or what other objections they might have with accepting your proposal and your contract. So you make a list of all the objections and you retarget them with ads that handle the objection. So let's say in case they might feel that your fee is too high compared to other people who are your competitors. So in the retargeting ad, you want to address the fact that hey, we charge high, but then we give you all these additional services, and we make sure that you don't have to go through any headaches that you would go with a low cost vendor. So whatever your product is, whatever how you handle, again depends on the product and the service that you offer, but you get the point, right? You want to handle the objections in the retargeting ad. So before you take the next step, which is ask for a phone call or ask for a service, they've already seen ads from you. You've already nurtured them about the fee, you already nurtured them about the location or any other objections that they have with you. And then in step number 4, you drop them a message on LinkedIn saying that hey Bob, we've been connected on LinkedIn for a while, and I thought what, it'll be awesome to get on a call and see if we can mutually benefit each other, or however you want to reach out to them and ask them for a call or a meeting, right? But the chances of conversion here is higher because now Bob has seen your ads. He knows that hey, you're somebody to reckon with, and also the fact that you weren't really salesy in the first step, which is what most people do. Hey Bob, here's my email ID, here's what we do, here are my contact details, Facebook, LinkedIn, blah 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 blah. let's do business. That's not how a relationship potentially starts. So we take them through an entire journey, we nurture them before we ask. So nurture before you ask, but to nurture before you ask, you need to get the data, and you get the data from LinkedIn, and of course you need to add that to the Facebook custom audience list. Of course you can add it to the other platform like Google and remarket to them on multiple other avenues such as YouTube, display. Do it all. Before you ask, nurture them so well that your conversion rate and the close rate is way higher. So this is one way to use digital marketing for a B2B company. A lot of other ways, and if you want to work and if you want to grow your B2B business, make sure to give us a shout out or call on the number here displayed here or here, and we'll take care of you. I hope this video was of value to you. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're watching this on YouTube. Talk to you soon.